Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is Ruth. In this video I'm going to show you how to extract your palm oil for atama soup and banga soup without mortar, without any stress, without blender. And I will also show you how I cook atama soup, Akwa Ibom style or cross river style. Exactly what you see on the screen right now. So if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. Let's cook this yummy soup together. So let's dive into it. First, here is my palm fruit, and this is what palm fruit looks like. It has thorns all over it. So to remove the fruit that I want, I am very careful, so I won't poke my fingers. Please do the same thing because it has thorns all over. Next, I transfer the palm fruit into a clean pot, and then I will add boiled hot water to cook. I always use hot water to cook my palm fruits to help it cook fast. So please do the same thing. So I will add this water to cover the palm fruits. I add water to cover the palm fruits, and after that I'll cover it to cook for 40 minutes. I'm using pressure pots. So if you're not using pressure pots, please allow it to cook for an hour so that it will soften. Okay, so this is my atama leaf. I could not get the fresh one, so I got this dry atama leaf. And if you've not seen atama leaf before, this is exactly what it looks like. It looks similar to okazi leaf, but this one dries and it breaks to pieces, as you can see on the screen. So if you're using the fresh one, please pound before use or blend before use. The same thing you do to okazi for afang soup. But since this one is already dry, it breaks to pieces already with my hand, so I don't need to blend or pound it. Then I have my spice for my atama soup. The root of my hand, everyone, is grandmother's secrets ingredients. Is very nice. It gives a nice flavor to atama soup and a nice aroma. To get this very spice, if you go to market to buy atama leaf, ask them to give you the spices for atama soup. I'm sure they will have the same roots. So I have the blended spices. So let me show you what the one that is not blended looks like, so that if you want to buy it in the market, you know exactly what you're buying. So this is it. Alligator pepper. This is what alligator pepper looks like. Okay, so I'm also using fresh catfish. It is washed and all the slimy is gone. Then I have I have snail everyone. My snail is washed and the slimy is gone. Then I always use stockfish, and here I'm using stockfish ears. And then my local chicken, I'm going to cook the different because it takes time to cook. Then everyone, I can't cook native soup without yellow chili because it gives a nice flavor and a nice taste to the soup. I have my purple onions and garlic to season the chicken, seasoning, salt to taste. The palm fruit is still on fire. I will cook my chicken, so I transfer my chicken to a clean pot, add chopped garlic, chopped onions, enough onions because I love onions, everyone. Then I'll add salt to taste. Then I'll add my snail. I'm using just few snail. I'll add my snail to cook together. Next, I'll add my yellow chili to taste. Enough yellow chili to taste, everyone. Then after that, and added seasoning, then I will cover this to cook for 30 minutes on a high flame. So here is my soup thickener. I'm using Ofe. I'm just going to add just 3 tablespoons of it because it's atama soup is not supposed to be very thick. Then I have my crayfish is blended. So at this point, our palm fruit is almost ready. Let's check it So check to know if your palm fruit is ready. Get a clean spoon and bring out some of it out of hot water, then check to see if it is cooked. So exactly what you see I just did. When you press it, it is very soft, and then if you look at the skin, it has some strikes, openings, which shows that it is properly cooked. So next I transfer to a strainer. Transferred everything to a strainer, everyone. And after transferring it to a strainer, I allow it to cool like 10 minutes before I go on with the extracts. Well, I'm using my hand to extract this because the palm fruit is properly cooked. So all I did is to cover my hands so I won't get soil, or it is not very hot. But at the same time, keep water by your side, cold water by your side, so that if you feel the heat is much, you add a little water and continue to use your hand to extract the juice. Exactly what I'm doing. So I'm not using water. Once your palm fruit is properly cooked, it's very soft, you don't need the stress of using water to pound it or blend it. Just using your hand to adding more energy to press it, to massage it. Exactly what you see on the screen, everyone. So that is what I do. That is how I extract my palm fruit without stress, without that pounding. My mortar is like pounding on my head, and using blender, which could equally ruin your blender if you're not careful. So as you see, it is very easy for me to extract my pan oil for my atama soup or banga. This is exactly what I do. I do this for just 10 minutes, and then my palm oil is ready. That mixture you want for your banga or atama soup is ready. So after I have done this for 10 minutes, the next thing I'm going to do is to add hot water. Please, I'm using hot water to extract the palm oil easily. Do the same thing too. Boil hot water, use it to extract your palm oil after you must have used your hand to press it out. So after I add enough water, I use a turning stick to mix it to blend together. Then I get a good strainer, then transfer it. Okay, so hello everyone. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to thumbs up for me, and comment, like, subscribe, and share if you have ability to do so. Share to your families and friends. Please, thumbs up, it means a lot for me. Your comment also means a lot for me. And thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support, all your loving support always. Thanks all my dear families for all your wonderful support always. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week. More interesting videos, everyone. So next, I will transfer to the pot. Please make sure you sieve properly to remove any particles before you transfer to your cooking pot. Next, I will allow it to boil for 10 minutes. I allow the palm fruit extract to get rid of that fresh palm fruit taste. Next, I will add all the spices. I will add my stockfish. I will add seasoning to taste. I will add blended alligator pepper to taste. I will add my grandmother's secret ingredients, the roots that gives amazing flavor and aroma to atama. Then I add my yellow chilli. Then I'll add crayfish to taste. After that, I'll cover this to cook on a medium heat for 10 minutes. So while that is on fire, I'll steam my catfish differently. So I'll add salt. I love to steam my catfish differently because it can easily scatter in the soup. So to avoid that, I always steam my catfish for 5 minutes on a low heat after I seasoned it. So to steam my catfish, I add salt, I add small garlic to taste, I add chopped onions and yellow chili pepper and salt. And then after I add all of this together, add 60 ml of water, and then I'll cover it to steam on a low heat for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then next, our chicken is cooked and ready for the soup, so I will transfer it to the soup pot. And here is our soup bubbling. All right, everyone, please don't go away. Let's cook together. Atama soup, Akwa Ibom style, Cross River style of Atama soup, the authentic, delicious Atama soup. Everyone, the aroma has taken all over the kitchen, especially with that secret ingredients of grandma. So next, I add my yellow chili. Add enough yellow chili and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I will add my soup thickener. I'm using of 4. I'm adding just 3 tablespoons of thickener because when banga cools down, it gets thicker. So if you add much soup thickener, it's going to be so thick. So I don't want that to happen. So I'll just add 3 tablespoons of thickener and then cover to cook for 20 minutes so that the mirofege or fuma, it will cook properly. So after I steam our catfish for 5 to 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. It all stands. It did not scatter. So next, I'm transferring it to the pots, the soup pots. I'm going to do this I have to be very careful. Everyone, you know how soft catfish can be, and for it to stand out in the soup, this is the method I use. I steam it differently, and when the soup is almost ready, I transfer it to the soup, and then I will allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. And also add the snail because the snail was already cooked with the chicken, so I didn't add it back to the pot so it won't become very soft. I like it when it is crunchy. So after I transfer the catfish to the soup pot, I'll cover just for 2 minutes. Cover for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, our soup is almost ready. Not ready, everyone, don't go away. So at this point, I'm adding the atama leaf. So you see what the atama leaf looks like. Because it is dry, it breaks to pieces already. So add as much as you want depending on the quantity of atama soup you are making. So everyone, our atama soup with banga extracts, palm fruit extract is ready. This soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice, eba, samovita, fufu. The choice is yours. Alright everyone, all the names of the ingredients used for today's video will be at the description section down below, and please don't forget to thumbs up for me, comment, share and subscribe. And thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support. And if this is your first time here, please thumbs up, subscribe, stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.